Haga arpun rew terik benai leber arhajar arpusau ki kertong ki be aireng ki election MP shak Lok Sabha na ka Shillong seat ki lalit tap kerteng bene konik election ki kertong ki lalit tap kerteng ki kentup yu Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon na ka seng VPP u Professor Lakon Kama u kertong Klemseng u ba Vincent H Pala u kertong ka seng Congress bad u ba Robert Jun Kharjaren u bre u kertong ka seng UDP. Ya kini ki kertong ke belatap kerteng le senran de kinong yalam bat ki pat nong kershan ke belalit senran shedo shak office deputy commissioner Shillong ban pendep ek jing tap kerteng. Kini ki kertong ke bane kon ki election MP ke lepen pau ya ke jing scam jing mut bakin job ki election. Kam tam hadian baki lalit ben pesu to ki pat ba kaleng ke jaka. Ya ki mat bat kinong rem jong ki ha ke jing ya kon ki election. Tongin ngap shipor ke jing keren jong ki kertong ke bane kon ki election MP na ka Shillong seat.
Aku por mengi kirang long ke parti ke berang kena tang ko ba system ai de ke ba upai ba se to ke por udang kham ban sotho ya ki nongrim ke jongi kata ke jingi jinga jongi ko parti re ba ke jing re shitom ke jongi ko parti ke ba pi hi ko mu ong kam de ke parti tang ke ban yakun ya election re ke parti ke ba kwa ban hikai ke parti ke bakwa ban pensai so pat nong sok snong jom di kami ke ba it ke jomi pat hai tak gitu ya tenti mentala ars dam tam nge i ke cingkala ke ba ai ke cingkermen ya gi ke parti pat ya ke state ya ke jela ke jaj penrei di barok ke parti de ke first time ke ba kun ke MP election but atrai lingba kini ki social media pat lingba ki meeting ke prepare ke bila lagi Kim don kanunu ka jing atatien ya ka jing kershan ka bengila yo lu padba keleng saudong ke lai pun rio tuli ki konsulsi
ke ni kan ti mat ke mat do ko bok ra do tak do ko ni
akbide kita keleng jo party ngin sa pelaj padba ke manifesto ki jongi de yamenta in mongin in sepen benah dak ka to kan dikendiat ski mentah
Kena kesok kelab sih tu ini kita kimat rekam zo kena kalian zo parti. Personally nak kalian zo.
Kilat ipat ba daki ai kimat
nak sa.
To ka wehi ka ban kong hi theri ka nongrem ka ba ngi ko parti ka ba ngi let show pat ba hageni ki na do ngi stang hi ka parti ka ba ngi let show pat ba ti ka nongrem ka ba ngi ukwa ban yo I ya ka sanchar khadar ka ba khoi ka sanchar khadar ka ba light ka ba pam sap संसार खदार कबanya kun persha ek chindu ke संसार खदार kabam yo shidang khamat ye nu para ka ko poru skawe pre ka nongrim ka jongi ka party ka long bagin yang berjada ya ka hok aga bede ka do ka shap khayi pating bat ke we ke bre ke hok ke jongi kum ki nong sok snong jongi ka jala ka be ka jongi
idon kam ban ya ya thando ka shap ni hapan pet ban pentikna ba sibun ba ki an ge batun khu ya ga jinglong trai ga khendo ga siap kum ga MMDR ak ni don kam ban penbet ya ka I don ru ya ga jing temu ban tresitom ban penbet yo pun sam bat ke jala asam ban review ru ya ga jing penbet yo pun sam ke India bat ke Bangladesh ni don ya ka jing temu ke basisha ban penrung no ya ka tin kasi ya ga net kum pra ka jing kwa jongi ba ka me clear kan don no la ka jong ka separate ka de kadi ka wei na kimat ki jura ka bakia ni kwa ban pen klan chu ya ka reti sensar pat ba mengila setong ni don kam ya ka pre legislation consultative policy ni don kam ban pen dikena ba ka ying ka syari ke jongi kadi ban terekam lait lut klem kanu ka jing muslia jong ke board sarkar na boleh klem ka ying ka syari ka balait lut dan ni klem kata ke independent judiciary kalong ka ba hadu kata ba nginyo yang kita ki hok ki jongi ha ka jala ka jongi bat kidan sibun ba ki jing temu ki ba ki jongi na benta ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot na kumta ban wanra ya ki lat penroi ki ba fer ha ka ri ba ka jam ru jongi ni ban sibun ba ki mat ki jura ladang asdang ban keren lut kita le sekan simpor ar kita lai kentai ki kentu pi ba pin sapet ya ka appeal kom manifesto ki jongi pin sayo ya ki mat ki jura ki jongi ha ka ne ka election.
And secularism is something which is dear to us because we all love our God. No matter which God you practice, you love it. You don't want that to be snatched from you because all other developmental activity is in vain if you don't get the dignity as a respectable citizen of this country who is free to practice and propagate whichever religion you want because Constitution have given you guarantee. I love my Constitution. We all love our Constitution. Why should somebody play around with this constitution? And we have to make sure that send somebody in the parliament who can raise this voice and say on their face that don't play around with this constitution, because you are now putting the country at threat. And this is where I'm going to, if people elect me, if they find me fit to be their MP, I'm going to raise all these concerns. Apart from the underdevelopment of the state, we also, because all other rules that will be framed by the central government, if it impacts our state, it will be my duty as an MP to make sure that I raise my concern for my people, because people have sent me to Delhi not to enjoy. People have sent me to Delhi not to merrymaking. People have sent me to Delhi to do my job. And my job as an MP will be a job which is serious business. If I don't want this headache, I better stay in my room in Nehu. That is much more comfortable. This I have chosen because I have a strong belief that we can bring this change. We can raise the concern in the parliament. And if people allow me, if they choose me as their candidate, make sure that there will be no doubt whatsoever that I'm going to raise all pertinent questions affecting our state, and I will be doing it with all honesty.
You know, every election is an election. I fought 4 elections, 3 in the Lok Sabha and 1 in the Legislative Assembly. I found that every election is an election, and every election is tough, because in our state, people has got multiple choices, multiple parties. So to say that this time is tough or last time is easy is not. I find that every time that election is tough, of course, maybe it's tougher the moment you become more. You have more party, and then you become tougher. But I consider that elections, people normally decided before 10 days before the election. So we are just beginning of the election. The real issues we have to explain to the people, the real problems of the people will raise to us, and the actual decision of the people will take after they hear from all the candidates. So I am very confident when we go to the field, when we go to the grassroots, this time other parties, the BJP, the NPP and the UDP and other parties, they fight election based not on issue but based on communal. Party, sometimes they want to divide the Karo and the Khasi. Some parties they want to divide Christians, non-Christians. Some party wants to divide Khasi and Jaintia. The Congress is the only party who is for everybody, who is for all the citizens. Based on that, I think the people will make their stand and will make the decision. Of course, definitely every party will have their own rights, every party will have their own ground, but I personally find, as of today, Congress is the most acceptable party, and I'm not winning because I'm a pala or anything. I'm winning because of the ideology of the party, the support of my party at the grassroots level, the support of my leaders. So I'm confident that this time I will win the election not because of anything, but because of the past experience people had with experience, and the confidence of the people in the Congress, and the trust of the people in the Congress.
Teli kisnem ngala syakri ya kari baka jap mriu leng bau seng halang. Ngala don rengkat hakapor baka jap mriu ka don kam yang ngala yeng ya kaban ya kun kon penyo ya KLP. Ngala don rengkat bati pajba nong song sunong kibasa hakapor baka CAD kawan. Ngala yeng ya kaban ya kun persa ya ka. Hakapor bang don kam ban pen dikena ya uput usam ngala don hangta. Hakapor baka wan ka klam syaka pertai berakui badak kajala miladon rengkat hangta di pila banbu jingkeli ya shibun ke rei tangau ni gawe nga karpat ba aden ba dia gawe sobha buat nembu jingkeli ya ke jing idri ke jonga nga it ya kari bat ngan ai ya kata ka jubab tendang ala let na kene pertai ho belai da ka jing sos kem bangala it bat ngala syakri ya ka jong kari ba kajap ya kene ngan jubab ho trai no bu nang thau bat ngamdon kanu ka jing artetin hakabadi bat ka jing it ke jonga ya kari ba kajap meriu ngala it ela kajat meriu lejong ganang tris sirhem nang ni khmat banang syakri kambha bat kham janai ela ka jong kari ba kajap meriu
Habadai ka kam niam habade kiwe ki kam ngi Congress ngilong very clear. Kino ki bakwa ban long kano kaniam u Hindu lado umon ban long Hindu ula u Kristen lado bakwa ban mani lagajong kemani ula Muslim ula bat kiwe kan pakimon very clear ka constitution jong India de tangka Congress ka perkat balong very clear ba kano no ula ban mani kano ka jai niam yo don way are no Hindu le neo Congress u balik mani kiwe kiniam mendai ban kentor ke Kongres. Sementara ngadon hak ning parti hadin katu kat ni ngalik kelan sekoi kenyam lening akren kulmar kamde ke Kongres bakren kulmar yo de individual kata ke jing yeper. Yo don iwe are individual belong suppose nya ki kasi la dato uwe ni ki kasi mendai ban keno ya baro ki kasi. Lani kumba pi kini por la dep yo don ki basam kiat ne yo don ki ba lek baklang ni ban keno de entire kalong ke baklang la da we are umi ban ye keno pada entire community lani entire kaniam lani entire party kalau thai kata kam ya hapre kadon ni ka jingong jong ki brio ka ba namar bangala dengan keren apa parlimen ngamju circulate ngamju ai ci social media ngamju thok khabar henry kajuk ke pemerintah ke bang akren khila ban yo na website jong ke parlimen kalong digital mentah lado mentala san rusnem tengah try kita hi ka try de kilik kino gibru khila ban lik ya ke website jong ke parlimen ke bang akren ke keten kesi akren ke LP akren ki surok akren ki unemployment akren pun ke ngalachim akren ke subsidal ban kumta terten kita ngatry ikam jonga kin sejubak hakabadai kiskin kadon ke jing sisya namarba mendai mangaklam pendon kamha barbar ngiyo san crore haka chisnem te ka first year ngiyo ka second year ngi klam yo AA ka third year na ka san crore u ai tang ar crore te ka fourth year u ai ka fifth year mentapat u ai henry ka system u change na ka normal manual bagi saya dokumen upah pisah DC office ki sa pelaj ki blok bat kumta terter mentapat ka pisah ubo no hapo SBI ka recommendation kali lamba ka portal ka training ya ki MP lani ka training ya hapo DC office ka training hapo blok ki claim ai temut manhagani kidang wan training na po infal kidang sudah ke training ngatrai hadir ke election nga nagalang jonga ngala recommend but don ki bangam patla man recommend on mar ka website do ki kam ting kam trikam na mar ba kidang sedang ka sai long hi ka technology ka change te ka don ki jingwit ha ka website jong ki kam dei banga klem pendon kam ha ndre ngatrai habang alik keleng di report pengawan yangi ki MP kino ki skim bangi ai ki saiwan inquiry ki CBI le ni ki wei pat ki MP ngalik keleng ke India ban big ke kumno ki be ki MP ki pendon kami ki skim ha bagi ai ke report ngai barabor hi ngai ki skim ngaklam pendon kam bakla ngap pendon kam hok abang alik keleng ki snong ki ong ba manswangi pat yo asnyo ta ke MP skim mentala yo tengah try kata juga ong baklam pendon kam hok kadai ke snyo bakla jong katu kat ni namar baki klem ai na Delhi bat ka juga poro ki pendik hakane ka tam ke pemerintah te kelempat yo draw ki bru yak bisa tang kendiat tu namar ba kelawan koko dokondop kala aslam no ka teknologi jongki kata ke jing e tengasio si ki perlok namar ki ka hok jongki bru kam de ki bisa jonga ndrengam la le namar ba borobor ngam kloy ka MP scheme tekene ga jing e all over India lade raja sabha ro gajo lok sabha ro gajo all over India lade kene kam de
Sebab sen medon ya ka confident ya ban in job ya ka ni ka election ka daw ka ba ningkong kalong ba ni de kun ya ka ni ka election da ki mat ki jura ha ka ban yada ya ka ri ba ka jam ru ba da ka jala ha ka ban penek pensa ya ki riti ki dustu de ki snap ki ba kerpang bat ya ka kendau ka siap bat kumju ru ya ka ban kentiu ya ka ri ba ka jam ru ti habang yat da kita ki mat ki jura ki ba biang ngidon ke jingkermen bagi pajbak no song senong ken pediang ya kata but om dai tang da kimat ki jurang in let chakan election gen let ru chakan election da ka hok bat ke jing sisa ti da kimat bat ki jing bat ki jura ke biang bat da ka hok bat ke jing sisa ngem don kanu ke jing aratin ba nginom dei ban poi sa ka thong ha kan ka por kamta tinga don ya ka jinget ka baskem bangin job ya kan election nomor ki pajba nong song chunong jong ka Shillong parliamentary constituency kilong ki bastat kilong ki basempang bat kin bisa rengi kertong da ki mat ki jura bat da ka hok bat ka jing sisa